Good quality soil is essential for a healthy and abundant garden. Here are 7 ways to transform ailing, lifeless soil into rich black gold. 1. Add organic matter. We often start out with soil that is not ideal for growing food, but we're anxious to get growing, so we go ahead anyway. Now we're asking our soil to produce nutrient-dense food from nutrient-deficient soil. This can lead to lackluster harvests or pests and disease problems. Amending soil in the fall is important, even if you start with great soil, simply because of the nutrients you've harvested from it throughout the season. You see, there is reciprocity between you and the soil in organic gardening, all give and take. Fall and winter is a great time to replenish soil and let it rest if necessary. Add organic matter in the fall to start every spring garden on a good note. 2. Mulch for big benefits. Mulching encourages healthy soil tilth by retaining moisture and nutrients. It also saves time by reducing the need for weeding, watering, and fertilizing. How you mulch your garden beds depends on your climate. For example, heavier mulches are beneficial in hot, dry climates where moisture evaporation is high. In contrast, lighter mulches are more appropriate in cool, rainy climates where soil benefits from the warmth of the sun but still needs protection against erosion. For most gardeners, a heavy mulch in the off-season provides protection, beneficial soil organisms against the elements, and reduces soil erosion from heavy rains. 3. Grow chop and drop nutrient accumulators. Nutrient accumulators are plant species that are often integrated into permaculture gardens. The roots of accumulators are said to collect specific nutrients from the soil. These potential nutrient-rich plants can be chopped back several times throughout the year in order to use the cuttings as mulch. This may save money by reducing the number of soil amendments you need to purchase. Growing them may also improve biodiversity. 5. Create a new garden with sheet mulching. Sheet mulching is a no-till method for starting a new garden or reining in a garden that's been overtaken by weeds. It consists of smothering existing vegetation with a layer of cardboard and topping it with a rich planting medium. Decomposting cardboard and plant residue attracts worms and other soil organisms to jumpstart a healthy soil ecology. Meanwhile, a rich planting medium on top provides ideal conditions for crops and habitat for soil organisms.